We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover, XX large, in black. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover is designed as a multifunctional storage solution for kids' rooms, aiming to address the common issue of stuffed animal clutter. Unlike traditional beanbag chairs, this product is a cover only, meaning it does not come pre-filled. Instead, it is intended to be filled with soft items such as stuffed animals, pillows, or blankets. This clever approach allows families to repurpose existing plush toys and other soft items, transforming them into a functional and cozy seating option while simultaneously keeping the room tidy. The cover is made from luxury velvet fabric, which is praised for being extremely soft and comfortable to the touch. The double stitching and tightly woven construction provide enhanced durability, making it suitable for active children who may jump, sit, or play on it regularly. The X-large size, measuring 35 inches in diameter and 24 inches in height, is capable of holding up to 100 small stuffed animals, according to user feedback. This large capacity is one of the most frequently cited advantages, as it allows parents to consolidate a vast number of plush toys into a single, organized location. The chair cover also features a sturdy zipper that withstands repeated use, making it easy for children to access their favorite toys and for parents to refill or empty the cover as needed. Another thoughtful design element is the robust handle on the top, which enables easy movement of the beanbag around the room, even when fully loaded. User reviews consistently highlight the product's ability to hold an impressive number of stuffed animals, with many families noting that it has helped reclaim floor space and reduce clutter. Children seem to enjoy both the process of filling the beanbag and the experience of sitting or lounging on it. The velvet material is repeatedly described as soft, velvety, smooth, and comfortable, making the beanbag a popular spot for reading, playing, or simply relaxing. Some parents report that their toddlers use the beanbag as a crash pad, running and jumping onto it without issue. The cover's durability is also a recurring theme, with users mentioning that it holds up well to daily use, resists wear and tear, and remains easy to clean. The machine washable feature is particularly appreciated by parents, as it simplifies maintenance and ensures the product remains hygienic, even in the face of spills or accidents. From a practical standpoint, the Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover excels at providing a dual-purpose solution. It serves as both storage and seating. This versatility is especially valuable in smaller spaces or shared bedrooms where maximizing utility is essential. Parents who previously struggled with overflowing bins or baskets of plush toys now have a way to store them out of sight while still keeping them accessible for playtime. The product's aesthetic appeal is also noted, with a variety of colors and patterns available to match different room decors. The black velvet version in particular is described as stylish and modern, adding a touch of sophistication to children's spaces. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are some criticisms and potential drawbacks to consider. The most significant point of confusion for some buyers is that the product is a cover only and does not include any filling. This is clearly stated in the product description, but a few users expressed disappointment upon receiving an empty cover, expecting a fully stuffed beanbag. For optimal use, buyers must already have a substantial collection of stuffed animals, pillows, or blankets to fill the cover. Without sufficient filling, the beanbag may not provide the desired level of comfort or support, and some users note that it can feel lumpy or uneven if not filled properly. Additionally, a small number of reviewers report that the beanbag is less comfortable when filled with blankets instead of plush toys, as the shape and softness may not replicate the traditional beanbag experience. Another area of concern is the return policy. Some customers have expressed frustration over the inability to return the product, particularly if it does not meet their expectations or if they misunderstood the nature of the item. It is important for potential buyers to carefully review the return policy before purchasing and to ensure they understand that this is a storage cover, not a pre-filled beanbag chair. A few users also mentioned challenges in finding matching accessories, such as pillows or blankets, due to slight color variations between different brands or product lines. In terms of value, the Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover is generally regarded as a worthwhile investment. The combination of large capacity, durable construction, and attractive design makes it a popular choice for families seeking to organize children's rooms without sacrificing comfort or style. The price point is considered reasonable given the quality of materials and the functionality provided. Many reviewers state that they have purchased multiple covers for different children or rooms, underscoring the product's utility and appeal. The product's versatility extends beyond stuffed animal storage. Some users have repurposed the cover to store out-of-season bedding, extra pillows, or even laundry, further enhancing its usefulness. The ease of use is another highlight, with children as young as 4 years old able to fill, move, and empty the beanbag independently. This fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility, encouraging kids to participate in keeping their spaces tidy. The Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover has also been praised as a thoughtful and practical gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Its ability to create joyful, organized spaces makes it a welcome addition to any family home. The product's popularity is reflected in its strong sales performance, ranking highly among kids' beanbag chairs and earning thousands of positive reviews online. The average customer rating is 4.2 out of 5 stars, with over 9,500 ratings, indicating broad satisfaction among buyers. While the majority of feedback is positive, it is important to acknowledge that the product may not be suitable for everyone. Families without a large collection of stuffed animals or soft items may find it challenging to achieve the desired fullness and comfort. Additionally, those seeking a traditional beanbag chair experience with pre-filled beads or foam may be disappointed by the different feel and support provided by this cover. The product is best suited for households looking to address the specific challenge of plush toy storage while adding a functional seating option. In summary, the Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover stands out as an inventive and effective solution for managing stuffed animal clutter in children's rooms. Its large capacity, soft velvet material, sturdy construction, and user-friendly design make it a favorite among both kids and parents. The ability to repurpose existing plush toys or bedding into a comfortable seat adds significant value, and the product's durability ensures it will withstand the rigors of daily use. While there are some limitations, such as the need for sufficient filling and a restrictive return policy, the overall consensus is that this beanbag cover offers excellent quality and functionality at a fair price. If you are searching for a way to organize your child's stuffed animals while providing a cozy and inviting place to sit, the Lukeight stuffed animal storage beanbag chair cover is a highly recommended choice. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to assist other viewers in making the best decision for their needs.